Hello everyone. In our last video we have discussed about automation and programmability, and same as I am continuing about the topic, and in this topic we have to discuss about SDN, like what is software defined networking and what is control and data planes work. Okay, so the first of all you are watching the screen in which you have seen management plane, control plane and data plane. Like this is the example of controller based and software defined architecture in which we have separation of control plane and data plane, as well as we have northbound and southbound APIs. But first of all, what is SDN? Software defined networks. Software defined networks refers to the concept of separating this control plane and data plane. Okay, it is in the network, and the separation of these layers enables the external management and control of distributed lower layers transport functionalities. Okay, now you can check like how it will work. Like you can check on management plane what is the work, like telnet, SSH, SNMP, syslog. Like you want to access one network, you want to manage or configure. So with the help of telnet, SSH or SNMP, you can remotely device connectivity. Okay, and after that on control plane, you can check the networking, the routing protocol OSPF is used. And on data plane, what is the work? IPv4 packets are connecting with each other. Like sorry. So we have to make design first. When we have to work on data plane, our IP addressing will be there, and in our control plane our routing process will be there, and on management plane you will work on telnet, SSH, SNMP, simple network management protocol and syslog. So this is about software defined networking. Thank you so much.